This is what's left of my Thor dead blow type hammer. I can't see the... Yeah, so there you go. Interesting piece of equipment because they are made in the UK and they have been for a number of years. They are a cracking quality piece of equipment, and obviously I was a bit gutted when this particular thing happened. However, and the reason why I'm making this video is because I like being able to repair stuff. This hammer would cost about 30 quid, something like that. These are about £3-4 each, and what I've done is I've purchased an identical nylon one there and a slightly softer rubber one. And I think this lot, I think they were like, I bought a spare one of these as well. Came to about £15 for 3 of them delivered. So I can repair my hammer, he says, right, for a fraction of the cost that it would I would be replacing it for. And we need to do more of this. We need to repair more stuff instead of just buying new stuff, because that is a really stupid, and it is, he says, as he completely fails to get this back in here. I can't do this with one hand. Back in a sec. Yeah, there's a bit of crap in the thread there was. Yeah, we shouldn't be throwing stuff away. We should be repairing stuff. And I gotta be honest with you, that's like new, that is. Look, you can see the new. Oh, oh, that is that. Oh, I'm gonna have a moment now. Yeah, repair your stuff.